Hello everyone, and I am Slesha back here on my channel after a long time. And today I am going to give you a GitHub tutorial in which we'll see how can you create a GitHub repo. So first, you can log in into your GitHub account, and if you're not familiar with GitHub, then you can tell me in the comment section. I can make a video on that as well. Now let's start. You can click on this button new, then let's see once more. You will click on this new button. Then this page will appear. Here you can write the name of your repo. I'm randomly writing demo YouTube. Then it will check that this name is available or not. So here it is available. Then if you want, you can write any description. It is completely optional. Now here it is important to see whether you need to keep it public. If you keep it public, anyone can see your repo from like anywhere around the world. And if you keep it private, only you can see, or if you give any access to someone. And these all things, if you're a beginner, they are not important for you. But if you are using it for a professional purpose, you can learn about them. A readme file is the one in which you can add a very long description, or I would say a very detail about your project which you are uploading in this github repo. And you can tell about some license or this git ignore file. If you want to know about it in detail, you can let me know. Then you can create on create repo or create repository. Then you will have this page. Now this is the place where most of the people get stuck, that now what we need to do, how can we add our files into it. So what you can do is you can directly create a new file from over here, or if you have already created a file, then what you can do is you can upload a file from your folders. Now you can from here you can click choose file. Then you can choose a file like from here documents, and then I am choosing one demo file. You need to choose a file. Please remember, you have to not choose a folder. You need to choose a file. So here I have chosen one index.html, and one more I can show you. You can also do it by a drag and drop. Like you can just drag and drop it over here. Then you need to commit changes over here, like what you have done. So first you can write anything, like you can write first commit or initial commit or files added, anything which you want, you can write over here. Here I am writing initial commit, and then you can here write commit changes. If you're new to github, then every time when you make a change, then you need to put a commit. That means you can say a sort of a comment that yes, I have done this work, I have done that work. And now as you can see, your github repo is already created. You have added your files, and yes, that's how it looks like. And you can open it and see how these what's the code in this file and everything else. And you can change the settings, or if you want, you can download the code from here. So that's all for today. I hope that now you might have understood how can you make a file, and if you now like how can you make a repo. And for further, if you want to add more files from here, you can choose the option like create new file option. Also I can show you over here. You can write any name, like here you can write demo.html file, any file of any language you can make. And then here you can write anything. I can add some HTML tags to it. Let's see what happens. Then you can commit it again. Here now I'm randomly writing second commit. But if you're working professionally, I would suggest you that you should add a bit detail in your commit also. And here you can add some additional detail so that in future it will be helpful for you. So now here you can see this demo.html is also added. So that's how you make a repo. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.